Here's 5 mistakes that'll ruin your life on a motorcycle. Number 1, safety gear is non-negotiable. Imagine a new rider named Sarah, who initially didn't see the need for full protective gear on short rides. One day, a quick trip to grab coffee turned into a skid on gravel at a low speed. Though she wasn't seriously hurt, her jeans tore and she ended up with nasty road rash on her leg. That moment made her realize the importance of gear, and she invested in proper riding pants, a jacket, gloves, and boots. Now, no matter the distance, she gears up every time. Number 2, respect the learning curve. Jake, excited about motorcycles, jumped straight onto a powerful sport bike because it looked cool. On his first day, he underestimated the throttle and the bike shot forward uncontrollably. He managed to stop without injury, but it was a wake-up call. He decided to sell the sport bike and start fresh on a smaller 250cc motorcycle, learning the fundamentals before moving up. Number 3, maintenance matters. Lisa loved her bike, but didn't keep track of her tire pressure. While on a group ride, she noticed the bike feeling wobbly during cornering. One of her fellow riders checked her tires and found the pressure dangerously low. Thankfully, she avoided an accident, but it taught her the importance of regular pre-ride checks and maintenance. Number 4, expect the unexpected. David was riding through an intersection when a car turned left in front of him, cutting him off. He was aware enough to slow down and swerve safely out of the way, avoiding a collision. His defensive riding mindset, constantly scanning for potential hazards, made all the difference that day. Number 5, the joy of community. Maria hesitated to join a local riding group, fearing she'd be the newbie who didn't know anything. When she finally joined, she found a welcoming group of experienced riders who shared tips, routes, and even helped her with bike maintenance. That sense of camaraderie not only improved her skills, but made her rides far more enjoyable. Have you ever made any of these mistakes on your motorcycle? Drop a comment below and share your story with us. And if you're looking to learn even more tips about motorcycles and how to ride safely, then watch this video next for 15 things I wish I knew when I started riding motorcycles.